Shit, it's your boy. You know.
Let me tell you.
My nigga, real life, NT, nigga. It's going. Shit.
Fuck all y'all. 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 Fuck all y'all.
If a nigga pop, y'all swear to God they be dead quick. Whole family grieving and crying, a close casket. That's real shit, my niggas that be dead. Pop once in the gut, in the ditch.
Fuck all y'all.
When I woke up, I thought it was a dream, till I seen everything on my screen. I'm like, why me? I thought I was asleep, but the pain that I'm feeling now is really running deep.
Fuck all y'all.
When I try to speak, the words won't release, like it's life in the bank. Damn, what you think? The nigga about to lose it or something. I think I ain't even frontin'.
Fuck all y'all.
Money on my mind, so I gotta stay focused. Smile on my face, but you know I ain't joking. Pistol on my hip with the brain is provoking. For my wife and kids, man, I swear I'm unloaded.
Fuck all y'all. 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 Fuck all y'all.
Shit.
Fuck all y'all. Fuck all y'all. Fuck all y'all. Fuck all y'all.
Verse 2, bitch, you know I make moves. Drink, stay in the new whip. Y'all can never ruin it. I gotta stay icy, you know it's in my motto. Moving this work from LA to Ohio. Never been caught yet and never plan to be. Cause I got a bitch moving everything for me. In the stash box, case the bitch get knocked, they gon' have to tear the whole back of the truck off. If she get caught, she gon' keep her mouth shut. Cause she know the crew will fuck her whole damn life up. Plus they know my bitch don't know much. All the bitch know is what crews done told her. Pick the car up, drop it off, then bail out. If you get caught, then you know you get bailed out. That's why all you niggas on my jock strings telling these cops things, following my offsprings. Y'all know I'm a boss on the run. If I ever get caught, I ain't never coming home, man.